Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate security best practices with Infoblox step by step clearly. To begin automating security best practices with Infoblox, start by logging into your Infoblox Neo's GUI. Navigate to the Administration tab located in the main menu. Select Grid from the drop-down options. Once in the Grid settings, find the Settings section. Here, ensure that Grid DNS and Grid DHCP are enabled. Next, move to the Data Management tab. Select DNS from the menu options. Under DNS, click on DNS Security. Activate the DNS Firewall feature to enhance your security posture. Return to the Data Management tab and choose DHCP. In the DHCP settings, configure DHCP IP address assignment policies. Implement policies that restrict IP addresses based on device types and user roles. Next, go to the Threat Intelligence section. Integrate threat intelligence feeds into your Infoblox system. This allows for proactive detection of malicious activities. Now, navigate to the firewall settings. Set up the necessary firewall rules to block unauthorized access. Once the firewall is configured, proceed to the Log and Reporting section. Enable logging for all DNS and DHCP transactions. This will help in monitoring any unusual activities. Next, utilize the Infoblox API for automation tasks. Create scripts to regularly audit configurations and compliance. Schedule these scripts to run at predetermined intervals. Now, return to the Administration tab and select Users. Review and configure user roles and permissions. Ensure that only authorized personnel have access to sensitive areas. Finally, document all changes made during this process. This documentation will serve as a reference for future audits and improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.